My name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Techno Expert session. Today we will talk about BMS troubleshooting. How to check a BMS is faulty or healthy. For a 51.2 volt battery, when the battery is in a fully charged condition, the output voltage will be at least 54 volt. However, if you see 12 volt, 15 volt or 24 volt at the battery output, so in this case it is a clear indication that this issue is from the BMS. The next step is that open the battery host software and check the battery status. Verify all the cells are under normal condition. No cell is under protection mode. If any protection is activated, such as over voltage, under voltage, short circuit or temperature related, it needs to be recovered for battery smooth operation. If no protection is activated, then you need to open the battery top lid. After opening the top cover of the battery, you need to check the battery voltage before the BMS. Using a multimeter, please check the overall pack voltage before it enters in the BMS. If the voltage before BMS is normal and the voltage after BMS is inconsistent, so you need to check the BMS. First, visually inspect the BMS. So it is a clear indication that the BMS get faulty. So the reliable solution is that replace the faulty BMS with the new BMS. So in this way you can resolve this issue. The BMS may have failed due to electrical or mechanical damage or by misuse. Thanks a lot for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman